Kapil Madan. So I'm working with Spark Minda, a Chief Information Security Officer. So my roles and responsibilities are to take care information security across Spark Minda Group. I'm responsible for cyber security, digital transformation assessments and security, then data protection and privacy, cyber risk assessment, strategy, planning, management, and business protection. My duty includes conducting employee security awareness training, developing secure business and communication practices, identifying security objectives and metrics, and ensuring that the company is in regulatory compliance. I contribute to the design and approval of comprehensive security projects. The strategy will account for the end-to-end life cycle of information security operations, including accessing the IT threat landscape, planning policy, and control the controls to reduce risk. Further, if we'll go technical, so security operations, cyber risk and cyber intelligence, data loss and fraud prevention, then security architecture, then we call identity and access management, program management, investigations and forensics, and governance. So finally, I'll say, cybersecurity is becoming a new dimension of quality for the automotive industry. So there are so many things like, intelligent transport system, advanced supply chain management, and Internet of Things, IoT, what we call cybersecurity, is a critical focus area for Spark Minda now. So the manufacturing sector has the good percentage of organizations that have either fully or partially deployed security automation. We deployed so many security solutions and few are in pipeline. So we want to provide secure and safe environment to our employees so that they can focus on their business goals, and want to cover digital transformation security on top of it. So if you say IoT security, business application security, network infrastructure security, being from the manufacturing industry, security a top concern for us. We take everything very seriously. Further, it's more of IoT, which is connecting device remotely and managing them through your remote connection. That is very critical area. We have to ensure that we have right security in place. Key areas for smart manufacturing include security technology, data governance, and process. Summarizing the manufacturing industry key challenges, so cyber threats take advantage of poorly secured networks. So there are sophisticated threats, digital attack surface, ecosystem complexities, and compliances. There needs to be a holistic approach to cybersecurity. There is the need to combine people and processes with an integrated technology platform. So as a CISO, I certainly have my own perspective on the differing priorities of IT's other vertical and cybersecurity groups. But I'm aware of the challenges that IT faces. Before I become a CISO, I spent some time working in those fields. On simply put, IT departments tend to build their teams, processes, budgets, and priorities around ensuring service delivery. Cybersecurity departments, by contrast, see the world through the lens of what we call risk mitigation, risk management, and cybersecurity oversight. So security team should be completely aligned with IT team, no doubt. There should not be any gap. We are having internal processes to run any new project, tasks, deployments to maintain the alignment. And we, came with the concept of speed versus protection. So where we are meeting our milestone. The coronavirus pandemic has created new challenges for business as they adjust to an operating model in which working from home, working from anywhere has become the new normal. Companies are accelerating their digital transformation, and cybersecurity is now a major concern. What we call the reputational, operational, legal, and compliances implications could be considerable if cybersecurity risks are ignored. Most of these threats have in what we call intensified because of the opportunities that have risen during the COVID-19 outbreak. Now, most of the organization business model changed and adopted digital transformation. As you know, we came digitally and majority of workforce came remotely. We increased our boundaries in work culture. So as we have to increase our security and need to come with boundaryless security techniques and measures. The majority of business are interested in protecting their information, but consider it as a technical issue. Challenge was to encourage the team to extend their thinking for security aspects, breaking the barrier of conventional cybersecurity protocols, and further, ultimately, this resulted as better productivity, efficiency that benefited the business. Clearly, huge benefits to adopting Industry 4.0, we call IoT. So these technologies to production process and making manufacturing smart, we can say that. However, together with the advantages, there are significant security challenges. I believe that cybersecurity risks are more likely with IoT technologies. To secure OT effectively, the IT department or the security departments need to be involved throughout the entire implementation process. There are no major challenges we faced, and IoT adoption is in process now, and we are ready to take any challenge. So employees working from home and using their personal computer, and even those using corporate devices, should implement essential cyber hygiene practices. So these includes what we call antivirus protection, cyber security awareness, very important, and further we call phishing awareness, very important. Then home network security, use a VPN, then identify weak spots, then we can say that frequent reviews, and business continuity. We should renew business continuity and crisis plan. So business lines manager need to keep their business continuity plans updated and considering mainly cyber attacks scenarios. More advanced measures that can be taken include apply new technologies and tools, AI build tools, intelligence techniques, and risk management, prepare for attacks, and zero trust, and finally, we can say identity protection. What we can say, remote workers are typically the first to face security threats. You are agree that. So there are, often the source of network security incident that can wave quickly through the rest of the organization. And even if you don't have remote employees, other mobile devices like smartphones, laptops, and other devices. And now cyber security leader role comes in picture to prepare strategy. We have to think from a broader level, like how we can provide, application security, parameter network security, endpoint security, and so many based on environment. And next, from support to strategy and set the culture. While most companies recognize the pressing need of technical security measures, but without a culture of security in workplace, the risk of threat can remain high. So establishing a culture of awareness around cybersecurity is crucial to ongoing information security. And further, we can say that again, business continuity. We have to revoke business continuity, enforce password changes, initiate internal security audits, self-declaration, and validate access permissions. Then the set inventory verification on time, and in last compliance and regulations. The solution, I can say that techniques that we are using, solution I can't take them, so these are the confidential things. So techniques, we have proper application protection, we are having endpoint protection tools, we are having AI and ML based tools that are going to provide us protection. We are using VPN, we have proper perimeter security, we are having proper assessment, project assessment and internal assessment phases that we are taking care of now. Okay, let me take in, from a different way, cyber risk assessment. So cyber risk assessment is important. Azure to identify, estimate, and prioritize the various risks faced by organizations. So particularly when it comes to cyber attacks, data breaches, and malicious digital behavior, the primary purpose is to help inform decision makers to, so that they can identify and implement the proper responses. Assigning responsible stakeholders is very important and need to identify based on their capabilities. So whoever is capable to do this, so we are going for assignment. So we are working on various advanced projects to enhance our customer experience. We are working to implement IoT. We are working to implement proper, that web protection. We are going to implement proper awareness. We are going to implement so many other things such as what we call Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, business analytics, then RFID, then other electronics which are connected over the network. So we are going to provide comprehensive security. Hi, I'm Kapil Madan. You are watching me on CXO TV News.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.